recipe has been in my family for, I don't know, as long as all these ingredients have been around. I don't know, just forever. It's something that my family has made every year around the holidays. Usually we make them during Christmas, but it is Thanksgiving in a few days, and you want to start off with making your crust.
Alright, so to make the crust, you just need honey graham crackers. I use 2 packages out of the 3 that the box comes with, and then you just crush them all up and put it into a bowl, and then we're going to be adding 1 stick of melted butter to the mix, along with 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Here is our dish. I believe this is 9 by 13. I think. And then you just transfer everything from your bowl here. And I saved this bowl because I use this to mix up. Oh, she's playing with her toy over there. I use this to mix up all the other ingredients. So I just kind of place this down how I want it. It's very noisy because it's not balanced. Okay.
Alright, so once we have it all put in the bottom of the pan, we're going to take that bowl there and we're going to add 1 full bag of unsweetened coconut, the coconut flakes, and then we're going to take half a bag of chocolate chips and another half a bag of some mini chocolate chips, or you could just use a full bag of chocolate chips. I also added half of a bag of butterscotch and 2 ounces of crushed pecans. And just mix that all in the bowl, and we're going to put all of those ingredients on top of our graham cracker crust that we made, and everything is still uncooked. We haven't put any of this in the oven yet.
Now we're done with that bowl, and you just want to spread out all of your mixture on the top here. Excuse me. So it looks like this, very delicious. Then we're going to open up a can of sweetened condensed milk. What size is this? 14 ounces. Ooh.
Now you want to make sure the entire top of your pan is coated with this sweetened condensed milk mixture. You don't want any coconut flakes and that chocolate sticking out.
Okay, can number 2. This is a different brand. It's a little bit darker in color. Let's get all of these. Alright, now we are fully saturated here with this sweetened condensed milk. Should I try it? I wonder if it does taste like that. Let's try it. It's not gonna hurt.
Okay, for some reason I thought it was going to taste like the icing that you get on cinnamon buns.
It doesn't taste like the icing at all. I thought it was gonna taste like the icing that you put on top of like cinnamon buns, but it tastes like, just like it says, sweetened and condensed milk. It's exactly how it tastes. It's not awful. but it's not what I was expecting at all. So, alright, let's pop this in the oven for 30 minutes.
Alright, so this is what it came out like after being in the oven for 30 minutes on 325 degrees. I cut it up. It's still a little bit warm, so I'm going to wait until it cools down a little more until I scoop them out, and I'm going to put them inside these little cupcake containers here, whatever these are called. What are these called? Baking cups, cupcake cups. Alright, so it is actually the next day, and you know what, let me get some light here. There we go, light. So I waited till the next day to cut them and take them out, and I put them in these little cupcake container things here. And oopsie, there we go, bye camera. So we just put them in there. I'm gonna do another layer of these on top, and that will be the Hello Dollies that I will bring tomorrow. So yeah, these turned out really, really good. Because tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Look at that. Delicious. Thanks for baking with me, and if you celebrate, have a very happy Thanksgiving.